Good evening, parents and families. Welcome to the open house at Wakefield High School, Spring 2025. Welcome to German 2 and Spanish 1. My name is Mrs. Spampinato. This is my 20th year teaching here at Wakefield High School and my 26th year overall. I'm excited to have your student in my class this semester. I'm here to do my best to make this semester as positive and as engaging an experience as possible. There are lots of ways that you can also help to make this a successful semester, which will be detailed in the next slides. If you're interested in receiving remind messages, please text the following. If you are a parent of a German 2 student, you would text at spam German to the number 81010. If your student is in first period Spanish, then yours is at Spampinato to the number 81010. And again, if your student is in second period Spanish 1, text super spam to 81010. The course description for any introductory level 1 or 2 class is a focus on proficiency, the 4 main skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing, with vocabulary and grammar supporting those goals. We do also take a look at some cultures of different Spanish-speaking groups in the Spanish classes and different German-speaking groups in the German class. The grading policy is consistent with the school policy: 35% for classwork, minor projects, 25% for quizzes, 40% for unit tests, which have listening, reading, writing, and speaking aspects to them. As far as a required notebook for either class, students definitely need to have their Chromebook, especially on quiz and test days. I recommend a folder of some kind so that they can keep their packets neatly in a folder and not squished down in their backpack. Loose leaf paper is recommended. Composition notebook for the warm-ups, and pens, pencils, of course, for everyday usage and whatever else they might need. Our wish list for the classroom would just be some tissues and maybe some paper towels to keep the room clean. And we are using Canvas on each course, whether the student is in German 2 or in Spanish 1. They will find all their resources posted there. The syllabus is posted there. All the materials that we use in class are posted there. And they get hard copies of everything for class. So if your student loses anything, they will find it on Canvas. If you would like to have an observer status on Canvas, just ask your student to generate a parent code for you. The students do put their cell phones up in the pockets at the start of class. This is consistent with the school policy. Everyone receives an assigned pocket number, and then if they want, they can charge their phones while they are in the pockets. And this is a consistent policy which helps avoid distractions. We also require that students take out their earbuds or headphones during class time because it prevents them from really focusing on class. Sometimes students like to keep their music playing during the lesson, even if their phone is up, so that's one of the reasons. Basic expectations for students and for families. We expect good participation and attendance. Students can expect to work from bell to bell. I don't give a lot of homework or just plain busy work. So usually students have 2 to 3 days minimum to do certain assignments, and they should use their time wisely. Students should be studying vocab or notes every day, even if they don't have anything written. All of the assignments are intended to reinforce, expand upon what we learn in the classroom. So if students are not finishing their work, if they're taking a long time at home, this could be an indication that they're not using class time wisely or might need to see me for some extra help. Again, most assignments will be completed on paper. Some may be completed via Canvas every now and then, but all of the vocabulary and guided notes will be provided in packet form and will be available to them on Canvas if they need to reprint anything. You can expect that there's going to be a vocabulary quiz or a grammar quiz at least once a week or so, or maybe every other week. At the end of a unit, we'll have unit tests, and throughout the unit, they'll have various listening activities and other types of activities that may be taken for a grade. I will send out weekly messages via talking points to keep families informed of what is happening in class, and I will do my best to respond to any emails or messages within 24 to 48 hours unless it happens to fall over a weekend or a holiday. If you don't hear back from me, I ask that you kindly send another reminder or check the spelling of the email. With my last name, it's easy to make mistakes. Check your spam folder too. I'm looking forward to a great year with all of you. Thank you for being here tonight. Good night.